Alright, let me make sure everything's set up. How's the mic? Mic check. Oh, I need to change that. Alright, should be normal. Test, 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 test. Yep. Good to go. We're good to go. Actually, I made it in time for once. Just check if the quality is alright. Alrighty. Okay, now we just have to do the same for Twitter. Let me make sure everything is good. Adrian, what's up? Good to see you. Good to see you. How are your accounts doing? How's it going with them? All right, let me start setting up everything. Hey, Juna, did you see they banned me on Apex? I'm banned. I also got the ban now. No more Apex accounts. They got me. I'm a bit disappointed in that. I mean, Apex was my first ever prop firm, and now I'm just getting banned there. It feels a bit weird. It is what it is. All right, let me make sure everything is set up real quick. There we go. Okay, we're setting up all the levels. A lot of support down here. Gonna start with this one. Okay, we're gonna start with 54. This one here. All right, does everything work? Are we live? Let me just double check. All right, we should be good. All right. Just do this here. 10. All right, there we go. Okay. It's so hard to set up everything at once. Let me just confirm one more time. All right. Okay, good that I came today in time. Yesterday was super stressful. Oh, right, yeah, you replied to me in Twitter. You replied to me. Wait, my phone is ringing. All right, here we go. You have a 23K page in Twitter. What's your Twitter? I mean, did I even follow you back on your Twitter? No, I haven't. Okay, there we go. What's your other Twitter? I think this is just your private one, right? You need to teach me how to use Twitter. I'm so bad with that. No idea. How do I use Twitter? Fan wars? What a fan wars, buddy. What is that? What is that? Do you make money with it? Do you get paid for posting and stuff or not? Jeez, the fan wars on Twitter. You are wild. You are wild. You're funny. What is that? Fan wars. What do you post? Oh, you used to get money for it? What content is it? Like, about what topics? That's what I don't get. Yeah, that's good. Make the trolling other movie heroes. How did you even get into this? How did this happen? And what movie heroes are we talking about? Hey Sean, how's it going? Yeah, Sean, they banned me on Apex. That's it. I'm banned. No more evils for me. I got hit. They finally got me. The one person that actually made the money instead of taking money out the last couple months. They got me from childhood. Juna, you are wild. I never heard that before. Fan wars. How much did they pay you? Was it like advertisement or was it like movies they're reaching out to you to post certain things? You are wild. Fan wars. Really? Why? I don't know. They just sent me the email. I mean, yesterday, like, let me show you. I have 3 accounts right now, and they're all fresh. So I have like 3 days on them. And yesterday morning, before the market even opened, I was 2 days in, and they sent me an email. Oh, you need to explain us the strategy you use, the way you trade, etc. from the last 2 days that you traded them on. Like I had to do a whole PDF file, a whole documentary about my trades and everything. I had to do this, and also yesterday, today, and tomorrow, like 5 days in total, and it's fresh accounts, so I don't have no idea. And then later, yesterday, I got the email. Oh yeah, you're considered to be live with Apex soon. I mean, they never put anyone live. It is what it is. You're considered to be put in a live account soon, and yeah, you're not allowed to buy any more evals. You don't flip, you don't DCA full port, no, nothing. I just trade my normal strategy. I was just being more aggressive, you know. On this account, I say, you know what? I want one more good payout from Apex, and then I'm never gonna go back. And that's why I push, especially this account. I'm already up 2,200. I just want to get them out of the 2,600 drawdown threshold. I don't know if this triggered them. No idea. Yeah, so much stress. Like yesterday, I was sitting down for like 45 minutes just to write out my whole strategy. You need to make screenshot of every single trade that you take. Just a lot of work, unnecessary work. I don't even made that much with Apex. I mean, last year in total I'm probably up like 25,000 with Apex. But this is like small numbers compared to other people. I mean, you know, on the other Discords and the other streamers, how they milk Apex. I mean, I didn't make much at all. Especially this year, it's not looking good. So, I think I got 2 Apex payouts this year, and then I took a break from Apex. That's super weird. But yeah, it is what it is. I also made sure I never broke any of the rules, even when I was in the trades. So I don't think they have any reason to deny me if I get to a payout. Alrighty, market pushing up here. I have a minute to go. But yeah, now I'm banned. I can't buy any evals anymore. But surprise, I didn't even want to buy any other evals. It's just random how they pick people. There's also other people that they're not even profitable with Apex and they got banned. So this is just a bunch of bullshit. Well, this is kind of ruining my setup here. Don't like that. Yeah, that's what I said. Like, I want one more good payout from them, you know, just this last payout, and then I will call it. It's just, it was the first prop firm I ever started with. I made the most money with them, and it's just, I don't know, you get attached to them, you know? You don't want to give it up. You don't want to give up on them. So it sucks, but it is what it is. But there's so many better prop firms right now. That's true. So many better ones. Alrighty, we're pushing higher and higher here. Golly. Can see a lot of volatility today with all the things that are going on in the world right now. Gotta be aware of that. Also, I have 3 accounts. You know how many trades I took the last 3 days? It's a big amount of trades. There's no way I'm gonna sit down for like 3 hours just to make screenshots of everything and document that. This is just so much unnecessary work and stress. And then on the other side, you have like Tradeify or Bolonox. They don't care. They just pay you out. Also, if they ban everyone, how are they gonna fill this hole? Because they pay people that get to a payout with people who fail, you know, who buy a lot of evals and they don't take a payout. So how are you gonna fill this hole now? There's a lot of income gonna be missing. The less the people are that are able to buy evals, the less money they're gonna make. It's also scaring away other people who would trade with them. Okay, I might take this here on the YM. Alright, we're in. It's gonna be a smaller trade. I mean, we have a smaller stop. Just looking for this little spike here. First reaction is good. See if we can go a little bit higher. Everything else is still holding. Just missed us there by a tick. Alright, there we go. Very bad practice, yeah. I mean, they're scoring a huge own goal. Massive own goal. Okay, might take another trade here on the RTY. If we close, we didn't close above. I mean, also, Alpine also got it. They also banned Alpine, so. I mean, who they're gonna ban next? They're gonna ban Patrick or something? I mean, they're gonna lose so much income from that. It feels like they're getting slowly rid of people, and then at one point they're just gonna shut it down completely. So it doesn't feel like they're making a rug pull or something, so they don't get in any trouble. But it feels like slowly they're just getting rid of more and more people until they finally have like no one left. Well, good that we didn't go along there. But yeah, one more good payout with them, and then I will never go back. Also, last year I had to send in twice these videos where I had to record my screen. I had to set up my iPad so they can see I'm the one sitting in front of the computer. I had to do this twice. Like once I had to do it for 3 days, and then like a month later again for 3 days. It's just unbelievable. Why aren't you copy trading? I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. The FSP guy. I mean, but he brings in customers, so he brings in customers. Why ban him? No, I don't want to copy trade right now, Juno. I just want to push them one by one. Also, do you know this Brian guy, this Brian Stonks, who always has beef with Patrick? He got the same email that he got banned, and then like an hour later, he got another email that they just made a mistake. Like, oh, don't worry, you're not banned. We got the wrong guy here. It's like, what is it? Influencer privilege, huh? I mean, if they really struggle, then why don't just get rid of 20 accounts? Maybe go down to 10. 10 accounts is still pretty good. You know, like just go down to 10 accounts, or actually put people into live accounts. They always use this as an excuse, like, oh, we're gonna put you in live, we're gonna put you in live. I never heard of a single person who's live with Apex. No one. I mean, Sean, you're in the Alpine Discord, right? This one guy who has like 1 million payouts, this Okala guy. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Why did they never put him live? I mean, clearly what he's doing works pretty well. So why did they? He also got banned yesterday, by the way. Why do they never put him live? You know, like if he's so good in milking them, it's just such a bad excuse. We're gonna put you live and then just never follow through. It feels like they're sending it out in waves. Like yesterday, a lot of people got banned for no reason. But anyways, how's it going the last days, Sean, with your 15-minute orb? Did you work on the 1 minute? I mean, I think you told me that you wanted to try the 1 minute as well. Hope you're green the last couple days. Yeah, even 10 accounts is still pretty good. I mean, look, all the other prop firms, Top Step, 5 accounts, My Funded Futures, 3 accounts, take profit trader, 5 accounts, trader 5 accounts. Like they're all limited. Why is Apex still 20? You took it on the YM. Oh, you're switching over to YM. How does it work for you? Oh yeah, I mean my trade today was also on the YM. On the open here. Working well. Nice, nice, nice. Love to see it. Alright, maybe we get another break of this level. Still doing the 50-minute. I haven't tried it the last couple days. But how is it working out? You still looking for 100 points or you lowered it? Okay, we're getting closer to the level again. Let's see if we can break it. Ten seconds left on this candle to form. Probably not gonna do it. Yeah, Sean is a baller. He looks for 100 points. That's crazy. When you, is there fine? I mean, overall, you're doing well with it, right? Because if you have a loss, it's 50 points, and if you have a win, it's actually 100. So overall, you should doing well. But you know, remember what Mo does? Mo is up like 4,000 points. So he's probably still holding the NQ right now. Just one setup today so far. Let's see if we can get another one. Do we have any press conferences today? Anything? I know there's a lot of stuff going on right now. Gotta be aware that Trump tweets something and then the market goes crazy. Alright, the RTY breaking out, but just not what I want to see. It's not good enough. Let's see if the candle gets a little bit bigger, I will give it a shot. Also needs to close pretty strong here. Alright, we're gonna give this a try. I mean, we have a super small stop. Might get stopped here instantly. Yeah, it's gonna be a stop out. Yeah, candle was a bit too small to enter on. All good that we got stopped there. Yeah, we'll take one more setup on this account and then we switch over to the next one. All right, we got 1.5 minutes here for the orb forms. And Q selling off a little bit. All right, breaking out again. If we have a good close, I will try it one more time and then I'm gonna switch the accounts. Yeah, not gonna close good enough. All right, pushing again. I take it on the 2-minute now. If we get this close. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. I wanted to see it to close a little bit stronger at least. Let's see if it would have worked or not. Yeah, I think that it would have worked. Yeah, there it goes. Now it's pushing higher. Also looking at the ES here. Maybe we get another setup, and I'm gonna give it like 12 more minutes, and then if we don't have anything, I'm gonna switch over to NQ and just take the loss here. But yeah, if we go to If we get a good candle here that breaks these levels, I would be interested. Just a lot of wicks. Feels like we're waiting for something, some sort of news coming out. Hey Lawrence, how are you? Are you in the wrong chat? You're in the wrong chat. Just make sure you come over to the full screen, like the normal stream. Wait, I will post you the link. Just make sure to click on the link. Yeah, there you go, Lawrence. Now you can see everything. No, it's just the short stream for people who are watching on mobile. All right, might take another setup here on the RTY actually. If we get this good close. Alrighty, we're in. See if we can get our scalp here. Just a couple points, 2 points. Everything else is pushing higher as well. We had this nice pullback beforehand. How you been? I'm good. What about you? What about you? Long time no see. Alright, that's a good reaction here. Clean reaction. Oh, nice. There we go. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. Perfect. Alright, back into profit here. I think we're going to call it on these 2 accounts. And we still have 1 more to trade. How's your trading going? How's your uni going? How is everything? Had a horrible week with trading or personal life? Sorry to hear. Well, you will bounce back. Just keep your head up. Keep your head high. Oh, you lost that. Oh, sorry, buddy. Sorry to hear that. I know that sucks. And you might not want to hear that, but the only thing that's gonna help you is time. You just need time. Try to keep your mind occupied with other things. Try to focus on other things. Don't try to think about it even when it's hard, but you will just need some time. You will just need some time. I'm sorry, man. Sorry to hear that. Also, don't trade when you're not in the mindset for it. Damn, I wasn't ready for that, man. It's hard to accept, but it's just life, you know. At one point, we're all gonna be gone. So. You have to make the best out of your time that you have here. But yeah, try to be there for your mom, your family. Time will heal anything. How was last week's trading? Trading itself was good. It's just myself being silly. Did a lot of stupid things, like always. A lot of stupid things. Pushing it too hard, and then from going to being like $100 away from a payout to blowing the account, etc. Just when you push it too hard, when you try to force it, it never works. But yeah, that's why we're taking it slow right now. I'm just trading the open like I used to do, and it works pretty good. I can show you. We're on day 4 right now with these accounts. And this one is up 1200, this one is up 1170, and this one we haven't traded today yet, but it's up 2200. So yeah. All right, there's some volatility. There's some volatility. I don't know if we can trust it. Ooh, can we trust it? It's tempting to just take along here. Yeah, just gotta be careful today with all the stuff that it's going on. Yeah, Lawrence, appreciate you tuning in. Like I said, you know, just give yourself some time, try to keep your mind occupied. Get some time outdoors, don't be outdoors. You will get through it. It will just need some time, but I'm really sorry to hear that. I'm really sorry, man. But you got this, you got this. Yeah, we're gonna take this. I mean, if we get a good close, I would be interested. All right, we closed above the level here. Stop at the low of the candle. See if we can run into the highs again. Just want to take a quick scalp there. It's a little bit higher here. Just trying to push the account out of the drawdown threshold. So we're pretty close. Okay, getting some drawdown here. There's also a lot of wicks up here. Okay, still not going. Still pretty close to our entry here. All right, I'm gonna move my stop just a little bit closer. We need one good spike here. Yeah, definitely not the reaction we want to see, especially when we're scalping just for 10 points. You want to see it working out like immediately. Hope we can push a little bit into profit, and then I'm gonna move my stop a little even closer. All right, and profit here, good spike. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it took a bit longer than like I wanted to take. There we go now. Now it's pushing. Well, in hindsight, should have held it longer, I guess. Should have held it longer. Yeah, there it is. All these wicks getting cleared. More resistance up here. So looking at the 15-minute chart, still a lot of resistance. Would like one more setup on this account, and then we would switch over to Bolonox. Only 30 minutes in. Only 30 minutes in. All right, pulling back again. But yeah, if you're in the YouTube short stream, make sure to click on the link if you want to see the full screen view. Just click on it and it will bring you to the other stream. I would definitely recommend it. We're trading 3 Apex funded accounts right now, trying to push them. We have one account that is pretty close to being out of the drawdown threshold. We're up 2,400. So we need 140 more to be able to hold the trades longer finally. And the other accounts are doing pretty okay. And we still have evals to trade on Bolonox, but yeah, right now we're just trying to get maybe one more setup and then moving forward. But if there's no setup in the next 15-20 minutes, I'm gonna start switching over and trading evals. Don't have too much time today. I gotta go to work, so. Also have to document everything again later on. Have to make all the screenshots, all this explanation for Apex, so pretty annoying. But yeah, it looks pretty good here. We have this little channel. I'm not a big fan of channels, but you can clearly see it here. We have low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. So looks good. Let's see if we can break out on the upside. I'm just gonna use the restroom real quick. I will be back in just a minute. All right, we're back. Still holding here. I mean, I would really like something to break this level first, but it's still a long way to go. Gonna give it like 10 more minutes, and if we don't find a setup on the funded account, I'm gonna switch over to evals, and then we just trade more aggressively. Yeah, so far it's a nice green day today. Could have been better if I didn't get stopped on this one trade on this account. Not too bad. I take it. ES is pushing as well. Everything else is pushing, so. Look who's here. Yeah, look who made it back. What's up, Kyle? Good to see you. Good to see you. How's it going? You missed the trades that we took earlier, but it's looking good today. It's just you never know in this market conditions. Like, you have to be so careful. It could be one tweet from the president and then market is moving like crazy. All good, nice. Did you take anything today or nothing yet? Spy. We took, I mean, we can go over it. The most recent trade that we had was here on the NQ. I took a long here. Then we had this crazy spike. And we also got a trade on the RTY. We had two trades on the RTY, I think. Somewhere here, we got stopped once, and then I had another entry this one. So yeah, we were down like 200 something on this account, but now we're up with this trade. And then on the other account, we had one more trade on the YM. This was our first trade on this account here. And also long. You took a short at NQ. What was your entry there? I never look at gold. I used to look at gold as well, but I don't know. Oh, slowly grinding higher here. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty okay with that. How today went so far. Just annoying. This one trade I shouldn't have taken it where we had a loss, so we could have been up more. But it is what it is. Slowly building them. All right, we're still going higher. Where my cursor is? Where's my cursor? Oh, my cursor was somewhere here, right? Oh, this one? The first one or the second one? Alright, coming up to more resistance there. Oh no, a little bit back. Oh, okay. I mean, there's good setups here. Oh, it looks good. With which company do you trade in at the moment? Or you trade your own money? The huge candle. This one. Alright, we're going higher, testing the resistance again. But yeah, as long as you're up today, that's the most important. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what trade you took, as long as it made money, who cares? Black bull markets. Is that your broker or is it a prop firm? Bull markets. Oh, they're from New Zealand. Okay. All right. All right, we're breaking out again. Just no pullback before. Broker, okay. Yeah, I was considering if I get the next payout, I will just start trading my own money again. I mean, I was trading with NinjaTrader in the past as a broker and worked out pretty good until I discovered prop firms. But now with all the issues in the prop firm space, it's so much drama and extra work you have to do with them. I thought maybe I would just go back to trade my own money, trade the open, and then I can just take my money out whenever I want. There's no rules, just what I want to do. Yeah, I never heard of them. Black Bull. Oh, NinjaTrader's banned here. Okay. I think they're also banned in Canada or something. I have no idea. I don't know, it's really random. Hello, Susan. How are you? Good to see you. Yeah, it's just so much easier if you have your own money. If you trade with your own money. No rules, nothing to follow. If you make money, you just take it out. And here with prop firms, it's just, it's a bit annoying. You have to follow a bunch of rules, then consistency. You have to trade a minimum amount of couple days. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm thinking about it. I mean, even if I just put in like 2,000, 3,000, I can still trade like one mini on ES. So we will see. Damn, still going higher. I wish we had a better pullback. Wish we had a better pullback before. I'm doing fine. I'm doing good as well. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hey Yash, how's it going? Good to see you. Yeah, especially now with Apex. I mean, right now I'm trading Apex, and now they also banned me yesterday. So I'm not allowed to buy any new accounts. And there's a bunch of things I have to do after each day. I have to send them screenshots, explain them why I took it, mark my entries and exit. Just talk them through my thought process and why I took the trade, etc. So much extra work, so annoying. Yeah, yes, I'm sure he appreciates it, but he's not here anymore. He left already. But yeah, this is tough, man. If you lose your dad, and I know he's pretty young still, so that's what I always say: spend time with your family and your loved ones. You never know when it's the last time you see them. Why banned you? They banned a lot of people yesterday. I don't know. They say they consider me to be put in a live account. They wanted to put me in a live account, but they use this excuse with so many people, and no one is live with Apex. They never put someone live. So a bunch of other people got banned as well yesterday. I can still trade the accounts that I have, but I can't buy new ones. But that's all right. I mean, I said it before, I just want one more good payout from Apex, and that's it for me. No more Apex. There's so much better prop firms right now. They're just weird. Also last year, when I requested like 10k or 12k, I had to make videos of myself trading. So I had to record my screen with my face cam in the bottom, showing my exact entries, my account numbers, everything, plus another camera angle from behind, showing the screens, plus my face as well. So I had to set up like a whole studio. You know, I had to set up my iPad to record my face cam and recording my stream. It was so much hassle, like for nothing. But yeah, then they approved me, but I had to do this for 3 days. Oh, my fund of futures is great. My fund of futures is great. They pay out super fast, super fast. Once I got approved, like from requesting to having the money in my bank account, once it took like 28 seconds. That was the fastest I've ever seen. There's good prop firms. I mean, there's Bullnox, there's Phidias, there's Tradeify, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader. There's a lot of good ones. It's just there's also a couple bad ones. You never know. You never know. Yeah, I had to do this, and then for my next payout, I had to do the same. But they don't tell you this ahead of time. So you request a payout, and back then you had to trade 10 days instead of 8, like it is now. So you trade 10 days, and then you finally request a payout, and then you under review for a while. It takes a long time, and then they come back to you and say, oh, by the way, you still have to trade 3 more days where you record everything. And then everything just gets so delayed. Ivers, is that futures? Isn't that Forex or something? I never took a prop on it. It's good if you can copy trade them together. You know, you can make good money with them if you stick with the good ones. Just need to make sure there's legit ones. CFD. Oh yeah, I mean, I don't trade CFD. I have no idea. CFD stuff. No idea. Oh, I think someone in here trades it, but he's not here right now. He left earlier. I think he's from Nigeria and he trades that as well. Fivers. If I remember correctly. Alright, well, it doesn't look like we're gonna get a setup on the funded accounts anymore. We're gonna switch over to Bull on Ox and we're gonna trade the evals. 2 evals to trade. So a swing trader. Oh. Yeah, that's the best. If you trade your own money, there's no rules. There's nothing you need to worry about. You know, you make the money, you take the money. That's all. That's so much better. No. He's from Nigeria. But he's not here right now. He was here earlier. I think he trades the same prop firm. Alrighty. Yeah, so we have 2 evals here still. One is up 750. The other one is fresh. It just reset it today. So let's start with the fresh one. But yeah, on evals we're gonna be more aggressive, of course. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, like I said, once I get another payout, I will probably start using my own money as well. I mean, I know there's some rules. I mean, depends on what your broker is. Just with the margin and everything, but no one is telling you. You have consistency rule, etc. I mean, yeah, of course you have rules for yourself. I'm just saying, like, the broker doesn't tell you what to do. They're not gonna say, okay, we can't pay out your money because you didn't follow our rules. Yeah, here we just full port. That's all we do. We just full port. All in, all or nothing. That's how we do it here. See if we can get another long. Yeah, I never tried swing trading. How long do you hold your trades on average? What do you think? No, that's a joke where, I mean, I'm not full porting. I mean, evals, yeah, I don't care about evals, but not the funded accounts. Not gonna do that. And I also have rules I'm following on the funded accounts, but not on evals. Just want to see a better pullback first. One day, 23 hours. Okay, that's not bad. Yeah, I do it really different. Like I'm more like scalping, you know, like intraday. I don't really like to hold it long term. Yeah, that's good. We have a good win rate. My last loss was December 27th. That's good. I'm happy for you. Yeah, are you the one who copy trades someone, or are you the copy trader? That's the question here. All right, there's a pullback. Six weeks, damn. That's crazy. All right, we're in here. Get this little spike down. See if we can get a couple points. But yeah, we're not gonna use a stop. That's what I always do on evals. I don't really care about it. I don't use stops. And if it goes lower, we can also add one more. It's either we make progress or we blow the account. Yeah, that's resistance. I mean, I always mark it. Oh, you trade Bitcoin. Okay. Well, I never traded crypto. You have one follower. Oh, no. No, you will grow it. You will grow it. If you're good, people will start following you, of course. I mean, we have a lot of drawdown. It's a fresh account, so we have 2,500. Scalping is hard. Oh, that's the benefit of prop firms. You know, if you have 20 accounts, if you maybe get a payout on 5, you're still break even pretty much, or even profit. So even if you have one payout, that usually pays for a lot of accounts. That's the benefit with prop firms. So even if you have a lower win rate, if you still get some accounts to pay out at least, it will make some. That's the good thing about prop firms. Scalping is the art. Well, I don't know if I'm a good artist then. I don't know. All right, let me get more to drink. I'm getting a little headache here. Just give me 1 sec. Oh my god! Almost knocked off my whole setup. You use stochastic RSY, not RSI. No. I just use the trend. The trend is my friend. Oh, you're from the Netherlands. The Netherlands, our neighbor. Actually, I've never been in the Netherlands. No, I don't really use indicators. I mean, you see I have my moving averages on, but I don't even look at them too much. What I look for is just trends, pullbacks, and breakouts, and momentum. Dutch lands. Actually, Max Verstappen, yeah, Super Max, Super Max. Yeah, he just got missed there, unfortunately. The spike. Still holding here in profit, so not too bad. Just gonna let it play out. It's a banger song. And I'm not even that much into F1, and I even know that song. All right, back into profit. Oh yes, you came over. You came over to the other stream. Who's the best F1 driver right now in the ranking? Is it still Verstappen or someone else? All right, let's see if we can get filled. I was having FOMO. Okay. Well, usually I try to get the people from the short stream over to the full screen live stream, but oh. Well, we don't want to make you feel left out. Oscar. He's Spanish. Oscar. Oh, Australian. Didn't expect that. Okay, F1 standings. Let me see. Lando Norris. He's from the UK, right? George Russell. Charles Leclerc. Oh yeah, he's French, right? Oh, Lewis Hamilton. He's also from the UK. Alexander. Nico Hulkenberg. Oh, he's from Germany. Is there only one German in there? That's it? What about the Vettel guy and the Schumacher? What about them? They're not there anymore? Are they like an F2? I never watched that. Yeah, me neither. Like, rarely. What stats you watching? Like, show you. It's like the ranking. Like, here, you can see it. Schum I'm known the old one. Like, but what about his son? Didn't he have a son or something? Like, this is the ranking. I have no idea. I see the chart 7 days a week. Well, we're all addicted. Don't worry. All right, we're pushing again. I mean, I would take another long. That's driver rankings. Oh, man, I don't have no idea. Pinto win his place. Is that another driver, Sean? Also, are you long? Are you filled long? Man, I have no idea. The only thing that I like to watch is football, like soccer. and the UFC sometimes. You long? Okay. Where did you get filled? Oh, we're pretty much right at your entry, right? It's somewhere around here. Team Messi or Ronaldo? Oh, I don't know. I mean, they both are great. But I would prefer, I don't know, it's hard to say. I mean, they're both good. Let's agree on that. 110 was the entry, okay. Yeah, I know Alexander Arnold, yeah. Well, I was looking for longs as well. Is your stop at 60, Sean? If you entered 110, you have your 50-point stop. I mean, you never know in these markets right now. With all the stuff going on, if there's just one tweet, could just mess up everything. So annoying that there's always something the last month. It always has to be something lately. We can never catch a break. Now all these tariffs are finally like settling down. We have less issues with this in the market. And now we have wars again. Like, my God. Yeah, I have stocks. I have stocks. I have Apple and Amazon right now. Hey, Shaxry, how are you? Good to see you. Wanted to buy more when we had the towers coming out at the beginning and we dipped a lot. I wanted to buy more, but I missed my opportunity. I don't have much in it. Sean, is Alpine streaming? Did you watch his stream? Did he win his orb today? So I always like to check on that. Tesla broke Nvidia. I had Tesla and Nvidia as well, but I sold them already again. I put some profit targets in some of them. Sim have big potential. What is Sim? What company is that? No, he blew in. Oh no. Man, he was killing it lately. That sucks. Well, maybe this Apex drama got into his head. Because he also got banned yesterday. Israeli transport company. Ship transport. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I would buy like Israeli stocks right now with all the wars. I don't know if that's good. Oh, you're making money on the war. Well, it is what it is, right? All right, gonna take a long here. A good close. See if we have to add in. I would always add in a little bit. Oh, they make money because the Red Sea is closed. I don't know. I don't want to be political or anything, but you just never know. I don't know. Maybe the headquarters is gonna get hit by a rocket or something. So, no idea. Well, they have good dividends. Oh, the headquarters in the US. Okay. Well, looks like we're going lower here. I mean, like I said, we can always add a little bit. But it feels like we're just slowly rolling over now. I was hoping with this candle we're gonna at least test this area again, but let's see. If we blow the account, we blow it. I have a video of it burning like hell. Yeah, let's not be political here. No. Because I have no idea who attacked who first and what's going on or what the issues are. But the war is always bad. It doesn't matter what type of war it is always bad. If there's innocent people getting hurt, that's always bad. It doesn't matter on which side. Alright, we're going down. See if we can hold this area here. And we're only trading in eval, so it can't be that hard, right? But yeah, I appreciate everyone tuning in like always. That really, really helps me. I hope everyone else is green. We're just trading evals right now. We're done with the funded accounts for today. We're green on all funded accounts, and now we're just trying to push these evals a little bit. But yeah, no stop if we go lower. Excuse me, I'm gonna add. Don't have too much time. I gotta go to work soon. But risk reward is this trade? I don't know. 0. I don't have a stop set. So my risk is I blow the account. That's what we do here. I don't use risk reward on evals. You're married and you have 2 kids. Okay, congrats. Congrats. Yeah, my first one is gonna be born November 29th this year. So pretty excited for that. But yeah, Hussein, on evals I don't take stop loss and stuff. I just let it play out. If I have to, I will add into it. But they were super cheap. It's like 15.40 or something. So I'm just trying to make some progress. If it doesn't work, we just blow them. On funded accounts, it's a little bit different. Construction company. That's always something good. You will always need that. Thank you, Yash. Thank you. Yeah, it's the first one. I'm pretty excited. It's growing and growing in there. It's getting bigger. Let's see if we can still hold that. I mean, we're just looking for like 7, 8 points. Not too much to ask for. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, I stream Monday to Friday, 9:15 a.m. Eastern. Just this Thursday, I'm not going to be here. It's a holiday in the US, so the markets are going to be closed and I won't trade. But besides that, I'm always here, Monday to Friday. Well, construction is good. Construction always works out good. You will always need it. And if you have a name in the industry or like in your area where you live, you always get good offers and contracts. Yeah, trading your own money is different. If you trade your own money, you need a different psychology. If you're on prop firm accounts, it's different. Because even if we have a loss here, I mean, that's an eval account, so it's different. But even if we have a loss on a funded account, it's not a real loss. Because the only loss I can have is when I buy these accounts, and it's the only risk that I have. So the numbers on the screen, they're just numbers. They're not even real. But if you trade your own money and you have a loss, of course, the money is gone. That's a good reaction. Damn it. Should have added here, I guess. Yeah, sometimes if you take a break, it really helps you. If you take a break, it can really help you. So you see it more clearly again. Man, Sean, this got close again to your stop. It's always freaking you out first before it goes. I mean, if you hear it like a 50-point stop, you would think it's like actually a big stop, but then in the market, sometimes it can be so fast. XRP, is that crypto? Yeah, especially it's easy to get 50 points against you, but 50 points in your direction, that is the hard thing. And I hope it works out. That's the best thing you can do. You just walk away, especially if you placed everything and you're not trailing anyway, so I might just let it play out. Because it's not going to change. If you sit in front of the computer, it's not going to change the outcome. It's either going to work or it's not going to work. It doesn't matter if you sit there or not. But then at least you can save yourself some stress. Alrighty, that worked. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go. I have to get ready for work now. I have some meetings later, but appreciate everyone who's tuning in all the time. Make sure to hit the like button on your way out. I really appreciate you. I will be back tomorrow again, 9:15 a.m. Eastern, so 50 minutes before the market opens. Yeah, just let the trades just play out, John. I mean, there's nothing we can do. But good luck. I hope it works out. I will keep an eye on it. I want to see if it works. I mean, your target is 210, right? Yeah, 210. You trade price action, right? Well, I don't know if I trade right at all, but it is what it is. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you all. I will be back tomorrow. Hope you all are green. If not, all your trades work out. Yash, what's your target? What's your target? I have to keep that in mind. I want to have a look at it. But make sure you spend some time with your loved ones and with your family. You never know. You never know when it's the last time, so take advantage of it. And give them a big hug when you can. Anyways, guys, appreciate you all. It's a pleasure, like always. And yeah, I see you all tomorrow again for another stream. And then on Thursday, I won't be here because of the holiday. All right, guys. Appreciate you all. Peace. See you.